Ever wondered how that quick and tasty pack of Indomie noodles gets made? Let's take a simple, behind-the-scenes journey into the factory where the magic happens, from flour to flavor, and then packaging. Everything starts with the flour. But not just any flour. The factory carefully selects high-quality wheat flour that's perfect for making noodles. This step ensures the texture is just right for what we all know and love. Once the flour is selected, it's mixed with water and other ingredients to form a smooth dough. Big industrial mixers do the heavy lifting here, combining everything into one stretchy, unified mass. Think of it like kneading dough at home, just on a much larger scale. Next up, the dough gets flattened by rollers. This process helps shape it into a thin, even sheet, setting the stage for what's to come. It's a bit like using a rolling pin, except the rollers don't get tired. The pressed dough is then cut into long, thin strips. These are the noodles you recognize, complete with that classic wavy look. The wave isn't just for style, it actually helps the noodles cook faster and hold more flavor. Now the noodles head into the steamer. This gentle cooking step preps them before frying. It's like giving them a warm-up, not fully cooked yet, but getting there. Once steamed, the noodles are cut into blocks and folded neatly into shape. Each block is sized just right to fit inside the familiar Indomie packet. The noodle blocks are deep-fried in hot oil. This removes moisture and gives the noodles their long shelf life. It also helps lock in that slightly crispy texture we enjoy once they're cooked. After frying, the noodles need to cool down. They're sent through a cooling system that brings them back to room temperature, making them ready for packaging. Now, it's time for the flavor. Each noodle pack gets its signature seasoning sachets, carefully measured and packed alongside the noodle block. Whether it's chicken, onion, or spicy flavor, it's all prepared with precision. Finally, everything is sealed, packed, and stored, ready to be delivered across the world. From your favorite store shelf to your kitchen counter, that's how Indomie noodles make their way to you.